Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security and privacy. Now scroll down again, click on biometrics and tap on face recognition at the top. Then enter your current login method. Choose continue and keep your face in frame. Following that, you can adjust all of those options however you want to. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it, click on face recognition again, enter your screen lock, and tap on remove face data at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!